Morning children, how are you? Hoping all of you are fine. Dear students, in the previous class we have done exercise M1 area till question number 7. Today we are going to start question number 8. Let us see this question. Find the area of each of the following polygon. So this figure is given. We have to do one thing. We will put it here. Draw one line this side, left side and right side. We will join this side, both this side, then it will become a rectangular shape. So we will find out the area of this rectangular shape or the whole figure, that is length into breadth. So what is length? It is 9 centimeter and breadth is 8 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equal to 9 into 8, that is 72 centimeter square. This is our first equation. Now we have divided this figure into two parts. There are, in this figure there are two triangles. So let us find out the area of the first triangle, that is half into b into h. So this is our first triangle. So this is base 6 centimeter into this is 5 centimeter. How we will get it 5 centimeter? Because the whole length is this side 9 centimeter and this is 2 and this is 2. From 9, if we will subtract the 4, we will get it 5. So height will be 5 centimeter. So 2 3 is 6, 3 5 is 15 centimeter square. This is the area of the first triangle. Now area of the second figure means the second triangle. Again half b into h. Now 1 by 2 half. What is the base? This is also 6 centimeter and height will be 5. So 2 3 is 6, 3 5 is 15. The area of the second figure also 15 centimeter square. Now area of the shaded region will be equation 1 minus equation 2 plus equation 3. This is our second equation, this is our third equation. So we will write down like this: 72 minus 15 plus 15. So 72 minus 30, that is equal to 42 centimeter square will be our answer. Now next, third part. Here figure is given, so we have to find out the area of the shaded region. For that we will join these two parts. This side we will join it, and then we will, in this way we have divided this whole figure into two parts. Actually these two parts are two trapezium. So let us find out the area of this two trapezium. Area of the first figure will be, it is actually a trapezium. So what is the formula for the area of a trapezium? Half into p1 plus p2 into height, where p1 and p2 are the parallel side 1 and parallel side 2. So let us put it their value. 1 by 2. What is the parallel side 1? 10 and parallel side 2? 5. 10 plus 5 into what is height? It is 90 degrees, so it will be height 6 centimeter. So 2 3 is 6. So 10 plus 5 will be 15, 3 is 45 centimeter square. This is the area of the first figure. Now area of the second figure. One, again it is also a trapezium, so we will apply the same formula. 1 by 2 p1 plus p2 into h. So 1 by 2, what is the first parallel side? 12 and second parallel side 6, and height is 5 centimeter, it is given here. So 1 by 2, 12 plus 5 is 12 plus 6 is equal to 18 into 5. So 2 9 is 18, 9 5 is 45. Therefore area of the shaded region will be equation 1 plus equation 2, that is 45 centimeter square plus 45 centimeter square, which is equal to 90 centimeter square. This will be our answer. Now fourth part of this question. Fourth part of this question, in this figure, this is one trapezium is given in this figure. So what we have to do, we will join this side so that we will find out the height of this trapezium. So if this is given 18 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter, so what will be the length of this side? Obviously if we will subtract from 18, if we will subtract 12 from 18, we will get it 6, so it will be 6 centimeter. Now let us find out this perpendicular. This will be the perpendicular side. So perpendicular square is equal to h square minus b square, means hypotenuse square minus base square by Pythagoras theorem. So p square is equal to, what is hypotenuse? This one is called hypotenuse because this is 90 degree opposite to this 90 degree angle. This side will be hypotenuse. So 10 square minus base is 6, so 6 whole square. So perpendicular square is equal to 100 minus 36. So p square is equal to 64. So p is equal to root over 64. Therefore p is equal to 8 centimeter. Now length will be, or height will be 8 centimeter. Now area of the shaded region means area of this trapezium will be half into p1 plus p2 into height. So 1 by 2 into parallel side 1 is 12 centimeter plus parallel side 2 is 18 centimeter. 12 plus 18 into 8. We got it, this height 8. Now 2 4s are 8. Now 12 plus 8 is 30 into 4, that is equal to 120 centimeter square is our answer. Next we'll see question number 9, third part. This figure is given and we have to find out the area of the shaded region. Let us see. Area of semicircle. First we'll find out this area of the semicircle. As we know, what is the formula for the area of the semicircle? Half of the area of a circle means 1 by 2 into pi r square. So 1 by 2 into pi will be 22 by 7 into what is r? R is given 28 into 28. So 7 4s are 28 and 2 14s are 28. Therefore 22 into 14 4s are 56. 22 into 56 is equal to 1232 centimeter square, means 1232 centimeter square. This is our first equation. Now inside this semicircle it is given one trapezium. So area of trapezium is half into p1 plus p2 into height. So half, what is p1? P1 is given 28 and p2 28 plus 28, this is 56 centimeter into what is the height? Height is given 20 centimeter. So 2 10s are 20. Now 28 plus 56 is 84 into 10, that is equal to 840 centimeter square. Now what we will do to find out the area of the shaded region, we have to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. It means we have to subtract 840 from 1232. Therefore the answer will be 392 centimeter square. This will be our answer. Now let us see question number 9, fifth part. Area, we have to find out the area of the shaded region. So this figure is given. Let us see. We have divided, this is figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. First of all, we will find out the area of the whole figure. Means area of the whole figure will be, or area we will find out first area of the first figure, second figure and third figure, and then we will add all the areas. Let us see area of the first figure. Its shape is just like a trapezium, so we will apply the formula of the trapezium. 1 by 2 p1 plus p2 into h. So 1 by 2, what is the perpendicular parallel side 1? 30, it is given here. This is 22 and this is given the perpendicular side. This side is given 30 centimeter, therefore this is also 30 centimeter. So p1 is equal to 30 and p2, this is given 22, so this will also be 22. 30 plus 22 into what is its height? It is given 4 centimeter. So we will write down here 4. So 2 2s are 4. 30 plus 22 will be 52 into 2, that is equal to 104 centimeter square. This is our first equation. Now area of figure 3. If it is 104 centimeter square, then this will also be 104 centimeter square because both the figure have same measurement. So we'll write down area of figure 3 is also 104 centimeter square. This is our second equation. Now area of figure 2, this figure, here half into p1 will be 34 plus p2 will be 26. This is actually 26 into height is given 4. So 2 2s are 4. So 34 plus 26 is equal to 60 into 2, that is equal to 120 centimeter square. Now the total area of the shaded region will be equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3. This is our third equation. So let us add all these equations. 104 centimeter square, 104 centimeter square plus 120 centimeter square, which is equal to 328 centimeter square. This is our answer. Let us see this question. Next question. Here we will find out. Now we will see question number 10, first part. It is given, find the area of the following polygon. Here figure is given. Now we have divided this figure into several smaller figures. Suppose this is figure 1, figure 2, figure 3, figure 4, figure 5 and figure 6. So we will find out the area of all these figures separately. Let us see. Area of figure 1, it is a triangle, so we will apply half into base into height, this formula. So 1 by 2, what is its base? Base is 8 into height is 10. It is already given in the question. So 2 5s are 10. So 8 5s are 40 centimeter square. This is the area of this figure. Now area of figure 2, it is just like a trapezium, so we'll apply 1 by 2 into p1 plus p2 into h. So 1 by 2, what is p1? 10 plus 22 into height will be, this is 10 and this is also 10, so 10 plus 10, it will be 20. So 2 10 are 20, 10 plus 20, that is equal to 32 into 10, which is equal to 320 centimeter square. Now area of figure 3, this, it is a triangle, so we will write down half into b into h. So 1 by 2 into base will be, what is its base? This is 8 and this is also 8, it will be 16 into 22, 16 into 22. So 2 8 just 16, 8 22 ja 176 centimeter square. This is our fourth equation. Now area of figure 4, this is also a triangle, so we will apply 1 by 2 b into h. So 1 by 2 into 18, 10 plus 8, that is equal to 18 into 24. Height is given 24, so 2 9 ja 18 and 24 9 ja 216 centimeter square. Now area of figure 5, this is trapezium, so half p1 plus p2 into h. Now half p1 will be 24 plus 16 into height will be here, it is given height is 10 plus 8, it is 18 centimeters. So 2 9 are 18, 24 plus 16 is equal to 40 into 9, that is equal to 360. Now area of figure 6, this, it is a triangle, so half b into h. 1 by 2, base will be 8 into 16, height will be 16. So 2 8 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 16, 4s are 64 centimeter square. Now area, total area 40 plus 320 plus 176, 216 plus 360 plus 64, that is equal to 1176 centimeter square. This is our answer. So dear students, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.